Tip 17 in 30 driving test tips in 30 days. Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. When will I be asked the theory questions? And is reverse parking on the driving test in Ireland? They are today's questions. So let's delve with the first one. When are the theory questions? Well, they are at the start of your driving test. Inside the driving test centre, you will be asked a handful of questions on the rules of the road and a little bit of theory, a couple of signs. So make sure you have studied those, and there are loads of lists of questions and answers on the internet, and lots of driving instructors actually give out lists as well. So get a list and study it carefully. Is reverse parking on the driving test in Ireland? What is the answer? The answer is no. No, it's not. There's a certain amount of confusion, and people genuinely do believe that they will have to reverse park on the driving test. If you were doing your test in the UK, you would have to learn to reverse park, and there's bay parking, and there's using a sat nav. There's a whole lot more involved in the test in the UK, but not in Ireland. In Ireland, the only reverse you'll do is the reverse around the corner. You'll reverse a bit in the turnabout as well, of course. And the third manoeuvre on the driving test in Ireland is the hill start. But there is no reverse parking. Thank you very much for watching. Check out our course, half price till the end of January at PassFirstTime.ie. The best of luck with your test. Like, subscribe, click the bell, and we will talk to you in video number 18. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course. Saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons, covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.